What's up, my people? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you will be the first to know when I upload my next video. Let's dive right into my kitchen. Today I am going to show you how I do Christmas cake, otherwise known as black fruit cake. This was requested. I already do a Christmas cake, but I have some of my people hook me up and said, can you do it in smaller measurement? So I will get it better. So I am doing another video on this one. So these are my ingredients and measurements that I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so I am going to do 1 pound of butter with 3 cups of sugar and 1 pound of flour. So there you have it. 1 nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of almond essence, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I am going to use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So there you have it. And I'm going to use 8 eggs. And it depends on the color that you want it to be. I started with a half a cup of browning, but then I add a little more because I didn't want it to get darker. So it depends on how darker you want the cake to be. So I soaked the fruits in rum and red label wine months ago, which is cherry, prune, raisin, mixed fruit, currant. So I soak those and I'm going to blend them. So there you go. These are all the fruits. So now I am going to cream 3 cups of sugar with 1 pound of butter. So I'm going to cream that out until everything dissolves. Then I'm going to add 8 eggs. Okay, so there you have it. Now I am going to remove the eye from the egg because that make the cake raw. So I'm going to remove that little white thing that you see in the egg. And then just mix them all up. That's 8 eggs. And now I'm going to cream it with the butter and the sugar. The next thing I'm going to do is add 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Already add some of the flour with the baking powder. Now I'm adding some fruits, which is 4 cups of blended fruits. Then I'm going to add the almond essence, which is 1 tablespoon of almond essence and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I sip the nutmeg because sometimes when you grate it, it have some grain into it. So I sip the nutmeg. Now I'm adding the lime and the lime peel. I grated the lime skin and then I cut the lime and squeeze the juice from the lime. It gives the cake a nice flavor. So now I'm adding half cups of browning. So that's the coloring for the cake. So that's half a cup of browning, and later I am going to add a little more because it's not dark enough. So I just add a little more browning to this to get it to the color that I want it to be. If you want it to be dark or light, that's okay. It's up to what you want it to be. So there you have it. This is the color that I got now, and I am going to put it in the oven. The oven is already on 400 degree, getting hot, with some water in the bottom of the oven to keep the cake moist. So and now I'm going to put it in the oven on 350 degree for about 20 minutes, and then I put it on 300 degree after for about another 60 minutes. So this cake take about a hour and 10 minutes to bake. So I got 2 8-inch cake from that mix that I just did. And there you have it. That's how I do my Christmas cake, otherwise known as black fruit cake. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next video.